The STBP110 and STBP112 are two new overvoltage protection devices from ST. Their main function is to protect the system against failure of the DC power supply. They are used in every application powered from an external DC adapter, such as smartphones, digital cameras, PDAs, MP3 players, and low-power handheld devices. First, let's take a look at the main features of the STBP110 and STBP112. Both provide an overvoltage protection up to 28 volts and are compliant with the China Communication Standard YDT 1591-2006. The maximum continuous current is 1.2 amps for the STBP110 and 2 amps for the STBP112. Here we can see a simplified block diagram. They are basically N-channel MOSFETs with a charge pump. The MOSFET on resistance is 170 milliohms. They feature thermal monitoring that shuts down the switch when the temperature is higher than the threshold temperature set at 140 degrees Celsius. They come with a large choice of UVLO and OVLO voltages available upon request. They also integrate a soft turn-on feature to control the inrush current. In addition, the STBP have an enable pin to control the device and fault pin to flag overvoltage events to the microcontroller. High ESD protection is also integrated in these devices, up to 15 kilovolts air discharge. Finally, the two devices are housed in tiny RoHS-compliant DFN8 packages with a footprint of 2 by 2 square millimeters. A typical application is shown on this schematic. At power-up, the switch turns on once the monitored input voltage is above UVLO, and also after a short startup delay, T-on, of 8 milliseconds to ensure that the input voltage is stabilized. During normal operation, the switch is on, and the device continuously monitors the input voltage and internal temperature. If the input voltage is below UVLO or above OVLO voltages, the switch turns off. If the temperature is above the threshold, the switch automatically turns off. The switch restarts after the following two conditions disappear: input voltage below OVLO minus hysteresis voltage, temperature below temperature threshold minus hysteresis of 20 degrees Celsius, and after a secure delay, T-rec of 8 milliseconds. The STBP also allow current to flow in the reverse direction from out to in. This is useful to power external peripherals. At first, current flows through the MOSFET body diode. Once Vin is above the UVLO threshold, the switch turns on. If this reverse current is not wanted in the application, it may be prevented by connecting an external low-drop Schottky diode in series with the output pin. Let's look at their performance relative to other solutions on the market. There are three main solutions for overvoltage protection. 1. An integrated solution, such as the STBP110 and STBP112. 2. A transl device with resettable fuse. And 3. A voltage detector with P-channel MOSFET. The STBP offer the best overall results in terms of high accuracy of the overvoltage threshold, moderate power dissipation, low on resistance, which limits voltage drop, short recovery time after overvoltage event, low component count, only 2 for this solution, and overall the smallest size and thus lowest cost. All these features make the STBP solution the most robust and easy to implement at a very competitive cost. To learn more about the overvoltage protection devices, please visit our website at www.st.com and look under the Power Management section. Thank you for your attention.